How to mark as spending on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can mark as spending on Facebook Marketplace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Facebook account and open up your Facebook Marketplace, just like I have done here. And then once you've opened up your Facebook account and you are on your marketplace, by the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of options such as browse all notifications, inbox, buying, then selling. Go ahead and select selling. Once you selected selling, on this page, your listings would be brought out. That is, you see all of your listings here. Now, once you see all of your listings, and the next for you is to select the listing that you want to mark as pending. Okay, just select the listing. Once you select the listing, by the right side of the listing, you will see three dots. Click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed. Once that menu is displayed, select mark as pending in the menu. That's simple. Once you click on mark as pending, the listing will be marked as pending automatically. So that is it. Very direct and simple. So this is how you can mark as pending on Facebook Market. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.